Today we'll discuss about method of variation of parameters. So how to find solution of non-homogeneous linear differential equations by applying this technique. So here let us consider a non-homogeneous linear differential equation ay double dash by dash plus cy equal to capital X, where capital X is x term, function of x, small x. So now, y double dash means second derivative a d square y plus b, y dash means derivative of y, dy plus cy equal to capital X. So here y is common throughout, so if you take common y, a d square plus bd plus c into y equal to capital X. So now look at the equation. So here it is having x term as well as y term. So now let us simplify LHS part. So whatever the LHS is there, so by referring LHS, find the solution. For that, before that you write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is a replace d by m, a m square plus bm plus c equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. So if quadratic equation is there, so we need to find roots of quadratic equation. So it is a general equation. So let us consider m1 and m2 be two roots. Consider two roots. So if these are the two roots, then solution will be, so CF we call it as, solution CF will be C1 y1 plus C2 y2. So that we write based on nature of roots. So we get CF C1 y1 plus C2 y2. So whatever the CF we get, so here then you go for find the Wronskian of y1 and y2. So it is denoted by W. So W is equal to determinant of y1 and y2, first row y1 y2, second row y1 dash y2 dash. So from this determinant, whatever the if you simplify, whatever the value you get, that is denoted by W. So now, so here half solution is over. When you simplify LHS, we get CF. We need to find PI. So PI is equal to, it has two terms. One term is y1 x by w, y2 x by w, where y1 y2 are these terms, CF terms, and capital X is x term, RHS, w is this determinant of y1 y2 and y1 dash y2 dash. So here one term is y1 x by w, so you multiply it by y2 into y1 x by w minus, so here y2 term multiply by y1, determinant of this. So this is the formula for PI. This is how we calculate PI. So once you find out CF and PI, so final solution, so final general solution y equal to CF plus PI. To solve d square plus 1 into y equal to sec x by the method of variation of parameters. So now, so look at the equation, given differential equation, it has y as well as x, so it is non-homogeneous linear differential equation. So in case of non-homogeneous, we know solution y equal to CF plus PI. So now we need to find CF and PI separately. So let us find out CF first. So CF we find by referring LHS, which is d square plus 1. So auxiliary equation, so replace d by m square plus 1 equal to 0. Here m square equal to minus 1, m equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1. So square root of minus 1 is plus or minus I. So here we can write it as 0 plus or minus I. So CF can be written as e raised to 0x into bracket C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. So here e raised to 0 is 1, C1 cos x plus C2 sin x, which is given CF. So here we got CF. So multiple of C1, whatever it is there, it is y1. Multiple of C2 itself is y2. So here y1 is cos x, y2 is sin x. So once you get y1 y2, find w. So w is determinant of y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. So here y1 is cos x, y2 is sin x, y1 dash derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of sin x cos x. So now it is a determinant plus minus. So first if 2 cross 2, multiply the principal diagonal elements, cos into cos square x minus sin into minus sin. So minus sin square. So minus plus sin square x, cos square plus sin square is 1. So w value is 1. So now we got w here from this. So let us find out pi. So we know pi is, in case of method of variation of parameters, it has two terms, y1x by w, one term, another term is y2x by w. So first term is multiplied by y2 in y2, second term is minus y1. So now substitute y1, y2, w, capital X. Capital X here is x term. So in this problem, x term is sec x. Sec x. So substitute all. So y2 is sin x into y1 cos x, capital X sec x divided by w1 minus y1 cos x integration of y2 is sin x into capital X sec x divided by w, which is 1. Now so simplify this, sin x into bracket into integral cos into sec means 1 by cos. So cos x into 1 by cos x minus cos x into sin x into sec x. Sec means 1 by cos x. So here cos get cancels, so it can be written as sin x into integration of 1 dx minus cos x into integration of sin by cos is tan x dx. So now sin x integration of 1 is x minus cos x integration of tan x is log of sec x. So now it can be rewritten as x sin x minus cos x into log of sec x. So this is the pi of given problem. So now we got both CF as well as pi. Substitute in 1. So from 1, y equal to CF plus pi. So CF is C1 cos x plus C2 sin x plus pi. Pi is x sin x minus cos x into log of sec x. So this is the required solution of given problem. Solve y double dash plus y equal to tan x by method of variation of parameters. So this was asked in PTO exams in June 2013. So now, so here we know it can be y double dash means d square y plus y equal to tan x. So here if you take y common, it can be written as d square plus 1 into y equal to tan x. So here it is non-homogeneous equation. It has y term as well as x term. So now, so if non-homogeneous, we know general solution y equal to CF plus pi. Consider this as equation number 1. Now let us find out CF and PI separately. First CF. So CF refer LHS. So LHS auxiliary equation m square plus 1 d square plus 1 replace d by m square plus 1. So m square equal to minus 1, m equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1. So square root of minus 1 is, which is written as plus or minus I. So it can be written as 0 plus or minus I m. So roots are complex. If complex roots, we write CF as e raised to 0x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So here e raised to 0 is 1. So c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So now this is CF. So whatever half solution we got now multiple of c1 is denoted by y1, multiple of c2 is denoted by y2. So once you identify y1 and y2, so here y1 is cos x, y2 is sin x. Now find out W. So here, so W is Wronskian of y1 y2. So defined as determinant of y1 y2. Second row is y1 dash y2 dash. So substitute here. Determinant y1 is cos x, y2 is sin x. So y1 dash cos x differentiation minus sin x, y2 dash sin x differentiation cos x. So now it is a determinant. So solve the determinant plus minus. So 2 cross 2, first multiply principal diagonal elements, cos into cos square x minus this minus sin x into sin x. So it will be plus sin square x. So sin square x plus cos square x, this value is 1. So W value is 1. Now capital X. So here capital X means x term in the given problem. So x term in the given problem is tan x. So capital X is tan x. So now in case of method of variation of parameters, Pi, how we find? Pi is first term is y1x by w, second term is y2x by w. So first term is multiplied by y2 into determinant into integral minus y1 into integration of second term. So now substitute y2 is sin x integration of y1 cos x, capital X tan x divided by w 1 minus y1 cos x, y2 sin x, capital X tan x divided by w 1. Now sin x integration of cos x into tan x. So tan can be written as sin by cos, cos get cancels, we get sin x, integration of sin x minus cos x into integration of sin x into tan x. Tan can be written as sin by cos. So sin into sin square x, numerator sin square x divided by we get cos x. Now sin x integration of sin x is minus cos x into integration of sin square x. So here what we can do is, so let us simplify separately. Here what we can do is sin square x by cos x can be written as sin square means 1 minus cos square x divided by cos x. So 1 by cos x is sec x minus cos square by cos is cos x. So sec x minus cos x. So now substitute here integration of sec x minus cos x. So now this is sin into minus cos minus sin x cos x minus cos x into integration of sec x. Integration of sec x is log of sec x plus tan x minus integration of cos is sin x. Now so let us simplify. First one, minus sin x into cos x, multiply minus cos x into log of sec x plus tan x. So minus cos into minus sin x, so plus sin x cos x. So here minus sin x cos x plus sin x cos x get cancels, so we get pi as minus cos x into log of sec x plus tan x. So this itself is called pi by variation of parameters. So finally solution from 1, so we know y equal to cf plus pi. So cf is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, cf plus pi. So pi is minus cos x into log of sec x plus tan x. So this is the final solution of given problem by variation of parameters.